In the previous video, we have studied about the numeration and about the periods of a number. A number is a split into groups is called period. What is a period? Period, it means if we have a number in this way, 0, tens, 100,000, 10,000 and lakh, and first three digits, if we put a comma after first digit, then this group or this period is called ones period, and then next two numbers are thousand periods, and the next is lakh period. It is a 6-digit number. If we have a number 3, 8, 6, 4, 5, 2, and I am putting a comma here and here. It means this number is 3,86,452, because of this is ones, this is tens, this is 100, this is 1,000, this is 10,000, this is lakh. The group of three numbers, these three numbers is ones period, and this is thousand period, and this is lakh period. Because of these periods category, it is easy to understand about the number. If we have only this number, then we can easily find it is 86,000. If we have the total number, this total number, and we can easily, after seeing this, it is after the two comma, this is 3 lakh, and if only this number is 452, we can easily understand what the number is. Now next topic is 6-digit number. 3-digit number, it means 0, ones, tens, 100, 10,000, 10,000, lakh. It is 1 lakh. On this way 2 lakh, 3 lakh, and 6-digit number, highest 6-digit number, greatest 6-digit number is 9999999, lakh 99,999. Place value, we have studied earlier in an earlier video, and now I am giving example in this video also. The place value of a digit is in a given number is the product of the digit and the value of the place. It means if we have a number 8,65,318, then we will put 1, tens, 100, 10,000, 10,000. Place value of each number, each place is value of place. Ones, it is 1, tens, it is 10, 100, it is 100, it is 1,000, it is 10,000, it is lakh. If we want to find place value of 3, then 3 into 100, it is the place value. We can find 8 into 1 is equal to 8, 1 into 10 is equal to 10, 3 into 100 is equal to 300. We can find each and every place value of each and every digit of a number. All these are place value of the digits. Comparing and ordering number. Comparing, we want to compare which number is greater or which number is lesser, and ordering number, we want to put the numbers in ordering, as ascending order or descending order. If we as example, if I have three numbers 5,138, 986, 23,000, 618. It is very simple. First we count the digits. Here in this number there are 4 digits. In this number there are 3 digits. Here 5 digits. Simply 5 digits is bigger than 3 and 4. It means 23,618 is greater than 5,138 is greater than 987. We can do many questions in the next video in exercise as 1B, 1C and 1D. Next topic is rounding of the numbers. Round off the number to the nearest 10. We can round off the numbers in the nearest 10, nearest hundreds and thousand. Example, as we have the number 58, we will round it to 60 because of 60 is the nearest to 58. 129 is rounded off as 100 because of 100 is nearest to 129. If we have 157, it will be rounded off 200 because 200 is nearest to 157. Another number 850 is rounded off as 900 because 50 is in the middle of 100. We will round it off to next hundreds. 845 is rounded off as 800. 3821 is rounded off as 4000. Expanded form. If we have a number 37,295, then we know the value of the each place. One's place is value is 1, 10th place value is 10, 100, 1000 की 1000 place, 10,000 की 10,000. Each place have its own value. Then we will multiply this place value to the digits on this place as 37,295. It means 3 10,000. 3 10. We will write it in this way. 3, what is this? This is 10,000. 3 10,000. 7,000. 2 100. 9 tens. 5 ones. It means 3 into 10. 3 10,000 3 into 10. It means 30,000. 7 into 1000 7,000. 200 200. 9 tens and 5. Read all these topics from your book New Mathematics Today, and then in the next video we will do exercises 1B, 1C, 1D and some of the examples, most examples. Here I have another example of the place value. We want to find place value of 7 in 77777. It means 7,77,777. I want to know place value of each 7 in this number. It means we can write it in this way: 7 7 7 7 7 7. Then this is 7 and this is 7 into 10 is equal to 70. This is 7 into 100 is equal to 700. This is 7 into 1000 equal to 7000. This is 7 into 10,000 70,000. This is 7 into lakh, 7 lakh. Read all these topics from your book and then we will do some questions. Okay, thank you.